Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is back with another video for you guys. It's gonna be like a mid-fade comb over. Right now I'm just parting the hair section in it or whatever, parting it. Put clips in there to hold it for me, make my job a little easier. So yeah guys, I'm posting videos, haircut tutorials every Thursday. So we're gonna start with the bald enders, like a mid fade, drop fade. You want it like a mid fade without the curve basically. So now we're gonna make that line, and then we're going to cut off all the extra hair. Same thing on the other side. So these trimmers I'm using here, they get closer. So I'm using these. These are my hitters, and it's gonna knock some of that stubble off. We're gonna do that all the way around. Just kind of blending it downwards, and then after this we're gonna come with the shaver. As you see right here, we're going up and flicking out. That's gonna blend us all the way out bald. So what you're gonna see is you're gonna see me close the lever little by little to blend it out. You won't see any like subtitles or text come up when I close it. You'll just see you'll see me close it. Right there. Then you may have to move the lever up and down to blend it out perfectly, or as close to perfect as you can get it. Now we're going back with the outliners to get that last line out, and just flicking out using the corners. And we're going to repeat the process going all the way around the head. Okay, so now the zero guard open, and we're basically doing the same thing as we just did with the no guard open. We'll close it and blend it out. And another thing I want to start doing is getting back to all of you guys' comments, all of you guys' questions. If I can answer them, I'm going to start answering them. I haven't lately in the past, but I'm going to start doing that. So if you got any questions or anything you want to say, leave it in the comment section. Here we got the 3 guard, and we open it and close it. And then we're going to work our way down. You'll see the 2 guard. We're going to open it, close it. The 1.5 guard, we're going to open it and close it, and then the 1 guard should blend it out. After we use the 1, If we see anything we want to lighten up or anything we want to fix, we'll do that. which most likely, most of the time, you will have to touch it up. Okay, so he just wants a little bit off the top and he wants to thin it out. His hair is really thick. So right here, you can just see, I'm just taking off like the loose ends. Yeah, guys, he has really thick hair, and I don't know if you could tell by when I comb it. Watch, when I, like right there, you see it, it's thick. So we're going to end up using our thinning shears later. So now this is how you blend it down into the sides. You want to go straight up And we're just gonna take that and go all the way around to the back of the head doing this. I didn't get to get some good footage, my camera cut off, but basically I'm just cutting the hair one time like that. And sometimes when the comb over doesn't comb over and lay down smooth, this is what you have to do. Part the head like that, and then I'll take a crease and I just cut some of that excess hair down, and then after that the hair should lay down smoothly. Now with the edge up, he just wanted to be edged up in the corners. He didn't want to go in the middle. He just wanted those corners edged up. And yeah guys, after we do this, we just razor him up and touch it up a little more where we see fit, and that's the cut. Y'all follow me on Instagram at JJ96. See more of my haircuts on there, and yeah.